Snowplow stuck in the snow. No one to help. Mm-hmm. Rite Aid, open 24-hour, not a car in sight. That's what's supposed to be. Mm-mm-mm. You hear the winds? Look at this. Look at the winds. Visibility. Minimal. Can't even read the sign.
Look at our snowpack on the other side right there. Look how high they put it already. They want to get $20 a month, somebody helping out.
Look at that. Truck goes right in.
Next time we'll get a big old dog. That's not true. There goes another one.
There it is. Look at that. Look at that winds.
40 to 50 miles an hour.
Which way's my wheel facing, he says.
You can tell by a steering wheel if he just turns it, and it'll stop where it's supposed to stop. You don't have to ask anybody.
Can't make this up, man. Uh-oh, you got a good Samaritan, maybe?
Somebody might stop.
Negative.
No,
He's going into 7-Eleven. He's making a beeline to 7-Eleven.
Oh, he parks in the
middle of the street.
You can't do that here.
Just so you can see, look.
Nobody can park in the middle of the street.
Oh, another one stuck right there. What?
Another tow truck?
Another plow truck stuck in the snow. That's a 7-Eleven. That's why he parked out on the street. Look at that. What? That's hilarious.
Oh, look at these.
You got two people stuck. Look, right here. Another plow stuck. Stuck.
All they need is a board in front of both front tires. A flat board.
Oh,
right
it's
in front.
going, there it goes.
No?
No, the visualization was going because the phone is freezing. Go, go, go,
He's
go.
mad
He says,
the
go,
kind
go,
of
go.
He said I have to get a fucking. Oh.
Great.
Sorry.
Next video.